Okay, let's do question number 5 of 4.3, exercise 4.3. In a class test, the sum of Shifali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. So the last time whenever we do something and they've given us a sum, we take one of the marks as x, the other one as sum minus x. Okay. Here. Let's do. Let her marks in maths be x. Suppose we're taking maths marks as x. Since the total of maths and English is 30, therefore her marks in English should be 30 minus x. X are maths or English मिलाइना 30 as बोले तो और total तो 30 as हो ना maths और English मिलाइना 30 as हो तो maths ते x तक ले तो English तो 30 minus x होना है. I hope you understand that concept. Now, had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, so maths if she had got 2 marks more and then 3 less in English, the product of their marks. So according to question, what they're saying is new maths marks into new English marks equal to what? 210. See, simple. She got, if she had got, so new, we're talking about new, okay? If she had got 2 marks more in mathematics, so she has a new marks now. It was x, now she has got a new marks, which is x plus 2. New mathematics marks is 2 marks more in mathematics, so x x plus 2. And 3 marks less in English. So 3 marks less in English means her this thing was English was 30 minus x, so now she's getting less by 3 marks in English. Less means minus grow. The product, that's why I'm multiplying here, the product of their marks, the new marks, would have been 210. So let's solve whatever we can solve inside the bracket first. So this is multiplication. So 30 minus 3 we can do 27 minus x will be left, so 210. Now if I open the bracket, this x should multiply both, so 27x and this x will multiply this, so minus x square. This 2 will multiply both, so 2 into 27 is 54, I suppose. And then 2 into 2x equal 210. Since x square is negative, I'm gonna take everything that side, okay? So x square positive ho jabo. 27 minus 2 kiman ho? 25 na? And then 25 to ito value potai lilo minus 0. So minus 25x. Okay. Now 210 in front, there's no sign, which means 210 is positive, and then 54 goes this side, it becomes minus 54. Now we can further simplify this by subtracting these two. So 10 minus 4 is 6, and then this is being borrowed 21054 6, this is borrowed, so 10 minus 5 is 5, so 156. So the sign will be plus because 210 is more than 54. Now let's split the middle term. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. I told you can do it by 2 also, 3 also, 5 also. It has to be prime numbers, okay? So 52 minus 3 plus 3, nothing is coming out, so I'm gonna do it by 2 now. So 2 2s are 4, 1 in, 2 6 are 12. So 3 2s are 6, still not coming up. So 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 13 is 25. So we are getting 12 plus 13 So if we open the bracket, it will be minus 12x minus 13x plus 156. From here we can take x common. From here we can take 13 common. I know that it's going to be 12 because 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, and 13 into 12 is 156. That's why. Okay. From here we can take x minus 12 common, and then x minus 13 will be left. So we can now say that x minus 12 equal to 0, or x minus 13 equal to 0. X equal to 12 or x equal to 13. Somehow we're getting both the values as positive, right? So what we're going to do is, when see x to 1 kilo, x to maths la marks, so when her marks in maths is 12, her marks in English is 30 minus 12, which is 18. And when her marks in maths is, we got two values, right? One is 12, one is 13. So 13, her marks in English is 30 minus 13, which is 17. So we're getting two answers. See, according to the condition, we have two possibilities, okay, two outcomes. One is she's getting 12 in maths and then 18 in English, and the next possible outcome is she's getting 13 in maths and then 17 in English. Why? Because if you subtract from 18 3, and then if you 8 to 12 2, so itu 12 plus 2 14 na, 18 minus 3 would be 15 na. So 14 into 15, you will get 210. Okay, same case here. If you add these two, to ita 8 kursi boleh itu. Wait, if you don't do the red part, okay? Because some of you, I've seen some of the students, like over the years, some of the students have asked me, how can she get two different marks in maths? So their condition is incomplete. That's why we're getting like this, okay? See, in maths she's getting 12, and English she's getting what? 18 na. To maths there plus 2 according to the conditions, right? Maths te 2 plus English te minus 3, maths plus 2, multiply 210 na. So in maths plus 2, in English minus 3. So 12 plus 2 is 14, 18 minus 3 is 15. You multiply these two, you get 210. Now the second condition, if we do, is 13 and English is 17. If you add 2 here, you're getting 15. If you subtract 3 here, you're getting 14. So when the 14 into 15, you 14 into 15 by so it only tweeta to be all true was it. That clears your doubt. Let me arrange so that you can write properly. Okay.